Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video in which I want to tackle some of my many thrift flip ideas. I have so many thrifted clothes and fabric from other projects left over because I'm a costume designer, so I constantly have a flow of new clothes and new costume pieces coming in that I'm keeping from projects, and I have so many ideas of how to change them, but it's just the time and the moment when to do it, you know? So today I'm starting that long project of slowly flipping all of these clothes into what I want and need. Let's get started. I'm going to start with this pair of pants. I really liked the pattern and they actually fit me well. There's just a minor thing, and those are sometimes the factors that decide whether or not we reach for those things when we stand in front of our closet. And for me, it's just, I already know it's going to be inconvenient, it's not going to be comfortable, so then I don't even wear it. And that is the button, or the way you close these pants. When I wear it, this just flips over all of the time. So I really need to change this, maybe just to a button. And I think that's already going to be it. And then I can wear these pants. I think they're very spring. They give me Renaissance, the colors and the flowers. It's a little bit, I don't know, it's this type of clothing item where I don't know if it's giving grandma from the 2000s or if it's chic, you know, but I think it depends on how you combine it. I just want to make these wearable. So let's get started. So two things. One, if I close this, you can see how this just always sort of almost snaps out. So I think a button to press would be better. And then I also realized that they are a bit short for me. There's some fabric in here that I can take out, so it's a lot better up here now. It's perfect actually. And I took as much out as I could on the bottom. It's still a little bit on the shorter side, but it's a lot better than it was before, and I can now wear this in the spring and summer. The next one, that's actually a whole thrift flip, it's not even thrift, it's just a flip, is this beautiful dress that my sister brought my mom home from Thailand, but it's too small and it's just not enough fabric to make something else in her size out of this. So she gave it to me and she was like, just use it as fabric. I was obsessed with them. They're so good for summer, and I'm really lacking some bottoms, so whenever I can I make a new bottom out of something, and this is perfect for a little skirt. Next thing that I want to do is dye some clothing pieces. Then I have this velvet sweater, which I really love. I inherited it from my mom. It has a really interesting cut with very wide arms, and I really like it. It's already kind of yellow, but I just want that to be more deep. And then I'm super curious if this is going to work. I have this 80s sweater, which I think is 100% synthetic fabric, typical 80s, and it has a little pattern in here. It's like this light pink, again a color that makes me very pale. So I ordered some dye for the first time. I am trying RIT, which is dye for synthetic textile, and I ordered this color, one of the 2 or 3 that I ordered. This is Marigold, and it's like this brownish yellow, a very 70s color I feel like. So I'm going to try to dye these 3 clothing pieces with this beautiful Marigold. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm so happy to just take care of all of these projects and finally change them in a way where they really fit me and really suit me, and I think I achieved that in today's video, so I'm very happy about that, and I really hope you enjoyed and maybe it inspired you. Sometimes we just have to pack some clothes away for a couple of months to get excited about them again. Sometimes we just have to dye them or alter them a little bit before putting them away and buying new clothes, so I really encourage you to do that. And if you like this video, I would love for you to subscribe. I would be so happy if you joined this little community and watched my videos. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!